from nursery to pre-kinder until kinder. And this evaluation test is not included sa atong grades, but it is an assessment on the development of your students. So for nursery department, you join na tanan from Emerald to Sapphire, from pre. Okay? So once I call out your name, student, please come with your parent to get your medal. Top 5 goes to Hechanova, Natalia Mia, and Alabaren Jessica Isabel. Hechanova, Natalia Mia, and Alabaren Josiah Isabel. Top 4 goes to Alipala Libora Jaira. Alipala Libora Jaira. Top 3 goes to Rivera Sabrina